The recent prisoner exchange between Israel and Palestine has once again brought to light the stark realities of this decades-long conflict. Images of the event paint two very different pictures. On one hand, we see Israeli prisoners. They are healthy. They are well-groomed. They are returning home to a joyous welcome. On the other hand, a different image emerges of Palestinian prisoners. These individuals appear gaunt and emaciated. They bear the physical marks of their confinement. Their homecoming is a somber affair. This visual disparity is jarring. It raises serious questions about the treatment of prisoners on both sides. The images tell a story. It is a story of unequal treatment. It is a story that demands further examination. The contrast in the prisoners' appearances is undeniable. It is a testament to the divergent realities faced by these two groups. It is a powerful indictment of the human cost of this conflict. It is a stark reminder of the urgent need for justice and equality. The images of emaciated and frail Palestinian prisoners should deeply trouble the international community. These images point to potential human rights violations. They raise concerns about the conditions within prisons. They demand a thorough and impartial investigation. The right to humane treatment is fundamental. It applies to all prisoners, regardless of their alleged crimes. The Geneva Conventions clearly outline these rights. They prohibit torture and degrading treatment. They mandate adequate food, water, and medical care. The visual evidence suggests that these standards may not be met for Palestinian prisoners. Their gaunt appearances speak volumes. Their physical state raises alarms. It is a matter that cannot be ignored. The international community must hold all parties accountable. We must ensure the humane treatment of all prisoners. We must demand adherence to international law. We cannot stand idly by in the face of potential human rights abuses. The disparity in media coverage of the prisoner exchange is equally concerning. Western media outlets have predominantly focused on the stories of the released Israeli soldiers. They have highlighted their ordeals. They have celebrated their return. While the plight of these individuals is undoubtedly newsworthy, the lack of attention given to Palestinian prisoners is striking. Their stories remain largely untold. Their suffering is largely ignored. This selective focus perpetuates a dangerous narrative. It reinforces the idea that some lives are more valuable than others. It creates a hierarchy of suffering. It is imperative that we challenge this narrative. We must demand balanced reporting. We must amplify the voices of the marginalized. We must ensure that all victims of this conflict are seen and heard. The prisoner exchange also lays bare the deeply entrenched narratives that fuel this conflict. Israelis largely view the released Palestinians as terrorists. They see them as a threat to their security. They justify